Here's my big birds. I got one. Well, I guess she can eat just fine. It kind of looks like her beak is a little overgrown, but she's eating just fine right now. So maybe the beak will, I don't know, maybe it'll get better. Oh, she just poked you in the butt. She just poked you in the butt. He's getting froggy, dropping a wing and being all amorous with the girls. Is she actually getting food? Are you actually getting any food? I don't know, I'll keep an eye out on her. I think her beak is a little bit long. I was trying to get pictures of it earlier, but it's hard to tell. Alright, let's see what my ladies in the coop are doing. I'll keep it on these guys while I'm opening the coop. Hi, ladies. Ooh, I got a bunch of girls in that one nest box. Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. Hey, Mama. You guys gonna give me some eggs? Huh? You gonna give me some eggs? She's hot, but they got plenty of cold water, so. I mean, it's Arkansas, northwest Arkansas, in the middle of the summer. It's hot. I can't tell if these over here are trying to go broody. Not one. She's the only one with a kind of long beak. So I guess I'll have to keep a real good eye on her. Hey, Mama. There's Henny. You can tell Henny, she's like all the color of the others, but she got way more hair. Really worried about her. I'm really worried about her. Maybe when I look back at this, I'll be able to tell if she can eat. I don't want her going without food. It's kind of weird that just one. I'm gonna look and see if anybody gave me an egg. I'm hoping. No, I can't get that lucky. I can't get that lucky for one of my girls to give me an egg yet. Just my other girl, who's really pissed at me. Okay.